Imagine telling your phone, "Plan my daughter's birthday," and it handles everything. Venue invites cake without you lifting a finger. This is Agentic AI artificial intelligence that doesn't just wait for commands, but understands your goals and acts independently to achieve them. Unlike today's reactive AI, Agentic AI is proactive. It breaks big goals into steps, makes decisions, and gets things done. Think of it as the leap from a simple calculator to a project manager who runs the whole show. Thanks to advances in computing and large language models, this once theoretical idea is now reality. Agentic AI connects thinking with action, writing emails, scheduling meetings, and sending messages, all on its own. This autonomy is what makes Agentic AI a game changer for how we live and work. So, how does Agentic AI actually work? It's all about 4 key abilities. First, planning. It breaks down big goals into manageable steps, like finding the best flight by checking your calendar, searching airlines, and comparing options. Second, memory. It remembers your preferences and learns from past successes and failures, getting smarter over time. Third, tools. It uses apps and online services, browsers, calendars, weather apps to interact with the world and gather information. Finally, actions. It puts plans into motion, from typing a search to booking a trip, constantly adjusting if things change. This cycle: planning, remembering, using tools, acting, gives Agentic AI its autonomy. It's not magic, just smart engineering, and it's what lets these systems operate independently to achieve your goals. You've probably already seen Agentic AI in action. Think self-driving cars. These cars plan routes, use memory and sensors, and make real-time decisions to reach their destination safely. Soon, digital assistants will do the same: schedule dinners, book restaurants, and handle all the details for you. But with this power come risks, mistakes, bias, and security threats. That's why keeping humans in the loop is crucial. We need strong oversight, clear rules, and ways to intervene if something goes wrong. Engineers are working to make AI agents transparent and safe. Building trust and safety into these systems is one of today's biggest challenges. The potential of Agentic AI is huge. Personal assistants that manage your home, help your kids learn, or automate your daily chores. In science and business, they'll accelerate research, automate workflows, and personalize services at scale. But as we embrace this future, we must ask tough questions about safety, ethics, and privacy. Who's responsible when an agent makes a mistake? How do we protect our data? Everyone, not just scientists, needs to be part of this conversation. Agentic AI is arriving fast, promising to make our lives easier and more efficient. The future of autonomous intelligence is here. What will you do with it?